How to fix Notepad is not opening in your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this issue on your Windows, it could be because of various reasons. Some of it could be Windows taking time to open, corrupted or missing Notepad files, or virus and malware. This can be easily solved by resetting or repairing your Notepad application. So to do so, it's a very simple step. Go to the settings and then go to installed apps under the apps folder. On the search bar, type in Notepad and then tap on the three dots right beside it. Now tap on advanced option and it will take you to another page. Once the page is open, scroll down to the bottom and you will see an option of reset and repair. First of all, you can try repairing if your app isn't working right. It will not delete any data, so it is secured. However, if the repair button does not work, you need to restart your application to start proper working of the Notepad. Once that is done, make sure to restart your computer and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.